Welcome, here I've got Honor 7S and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it. And for now we are in the standard photo mode. Here let's slide to the right to get access to the advanced camera settings, and now let's pick the resolution at the first place, so we can manage the size of our photo. This is connected with the quality and aspect ratio. Now let's focus on aspect ratio. We have 4:3 ratio, 1:1 and also 18:9. So let me change 4:3 to 1:1. Now let's go back to the camera preview to see the difference. As you can see, the background has changed to the square one. Now let's just slide again to the right and change the resolution to 18:9. And let's go back to the camera. Now we can see that this is the full camera aspect ratio. And of course, by sliding again and picking the resolution, we can easily go back to 4:3. And to remind you, this is how it looks like. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.